welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be taking this babe right here and we're going to be making her a little bit blonder. So of course I'm using Oxy 20 Olaplex and I'm just going into a full platinum highlight. My assistant here is just rinsing the back because it has already done process. So we're just going to quickly rinse that, and then when the front is done, we'll rinse that. Now I'm just going in with Wella Color Touch 70789 and I'm just giving her a really nice shadow root to just blur those foil lines. Now I'm just going to gloss the rest of her hair using Goldwell Coloron's 10P 10BG, one of my absolute favorite toners. Alright guys, so here you have it. This is what a platinum full looks like here at Opal. So now she's lighter and brighter and ready for her vacation. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. I would greatly appreciate it.